Hi everyone. Let's discuss a solution of a question of ISI MTech CS 2021 PCV NC4. The fourth question from the mathematics part. Let's discuss the question first. Now you can see that here it is written that in the figure below there are three circles touching each other externally and also touching the line below. Let R1, R2 and R3 be the radii of the three circles, and as shown in the figure, if R1 equals to 25 and R3 equals to 9, then find R2. So you can see the figure here. R1, R3 and R2 are the radius of three circles, and R1, R3 are given as 25 and 9. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. I have drawn these figures again. This is R1, this is sorry, it's R3, it's R2. Okay, so we know that R1 is 25, R2 R3 is 9, and we have to find R2. So to simplify the question, let's try to draw some figure here also. So let's try to first of all connect this. We know that there is a theorem from 10th level that if we connect 3 points like two center of circles, two center of circles, and they are touching points. Okay, then this will make a line. Okay, so don't think that this is going to be there and this is going to be there. Okay, then there is a theorem that's telling us that it's going to connect the three points in a line. Okay, so this problem is solved. So we have this line, and I'm assuming that these are the perpendicular on this line. Okay, so these are the perpendicular on this line. Then let's try to draw this. Okay, now you can see I have tried this line such a way that this and this are same. So I'm assuming this is 9 and this is also 9. Let's name these points. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C, and let's try to connect these two, this also. Okay, this also, and let's try to connect this. Okay, so actually we need this figure to solve this question. Now please try to understand this very carefully, because if you miss one point, then it is not going to be solved easily. Okay, so we have to name these things. Okay, now let's name these points like D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and this is I. Okay. So we have all the names of the points, and we can see that here ADC is a right angle triangle. Okay, ADC is a right angle triangle. Again, AEB is a right angle triangle. Then CBF is a right angle triangle. Okay, so we can use Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, but before that, let's try to see the value of the lengths. Okay, first of all, let's try with the triangle ABE. Okay, from the triangle ABE, here we can see that AE equals to AE. You can see that from here to here it is 25, and this is going to be R2, right? This is going to be R2. So AE is going to be 25 minus R2. Okay, then ER, we don't know the value of ER. We'll put it as ER only. Okay, sorry, EB, sorry. Okay, EB, we put it as EB. And then we have AB. What is AB? You can see that here to here it is 25. Why? Because it is the radius of the circle. Okay, so it is going to be 25, and here to here it is R2, it is the radius of this circle. Okay, then what is the full length of AB? It's going to be 25 plus R2. Fine. Okay, now you can see that we can find the value of AB with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so before going forward, let me try the idea. Okay, so from this triangle I'll try to find this AB, and then from this triangle I'll try to find BF. Okay, then from this triangle I'll try to find DC. Okay, DC. So when I compare this DC with EF, which is the addition of EB and BF, then we are going to get a solution from there. Fine, let's try to find the solution now. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem and the triangle AVE, you can see that AB square equals to AE square plus EB square. Fine, so we have the value like 25 R2 whole square equals to AE equals to 25 minus R2 whole square equals to EB square. Okay, sorry, that's plus. Okay, now what is AB square? What is EB square? EB square is going to be this minus this, so we can write this way. Okay, now you can compare it with A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square, which is nothing but 4AB. Okay, so what is 4? A is 25. What is B? B is R2. So I am getting here 100 R2. Fine. Now what is EB then? EB equals to root over 100 R2, which is nothing but 10 root R2. Fine. So we got EB from here. Fine, we easily got it. You can see now we have EB with respect to R2. With respect to R2. Now you can try your own methods too. When you have this result, I think you can try multiple ways to get the solution of R2. Even I think fine, let me try my own. Okay, I'll go with my idea, which is going to be find EB and BF and then DC and comparing them. Okay, so let's try to find now BF from CBF triangle. Okay, so now from CBF triangle, okay, so what we have CB equals to, what is that, 9 plus R2, and then BF is unknown, BF is BF, and then CF equals to 9 minus R2. I think it's clear now. Okay, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem here also. So we get BF from here. So this time let me use the Pythagorean theorem directly. Like I want to find the BF here, so I can write BF square equals to the hypotenuse square minus the height. Okay, so BF square equals to BC square minus the CF square. Okay, so we have BC or CB is 9 plus R2 whole square minus CF is 9 minus R2 whole square. Fine. So this means 4 into A into B, which is 36 R2. Okay, so what do we have? We have BF equals to root over 36 R2, which is 6 root over R2. Fine. So we have BF equals to root over 36 R2, which is nothing but 6 R2. Okay, so now we have the value of EB and BF. Now we will find the value of CD. Okay, CD from the triangle ACD. From the triangle we find the value of ACD. Give me a minute. Okay, so from the triangle ACD, what we have? We have AC equals to 25 plus 9, the summation of the two radius, which is 34. And then AD, what is AD? AD is nothing but AH minus DH, and DH is equal to the CG. So DH is 9, so AD is 25 minus 9. So AD is 25 minus 9, which is 16, I think. 16. Okay, now we want to find DC. So let's take a question mark here. So again we use the Pythagoras theorem. Then what we will get? DC square equals to AC square minus the AD square. Then what is AC square? AC square is 34 whole square minus AD is 16, so 16 square. What is the value of this? Let's find it here. 34, 6, 13, 2, 10. So 6, 5, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 5, 6 minus 16, I think 256. Okay, so 0, 0, and then 9. Okay, so DC equals to root over 900, which is I think 30. Okay, so we have DC. Okay, now what is DC? DC is nothing but the summation of EB and BF. And what is EB? EB we find it is 10 root R2. Okay, EB is 10 R2 and BF is 6 root R2. So what will be the summation? 10 R root 2 plus 6 R root 2. So DC equals to EB plus BF, EB plus VF. Now EB is 10 root R2 plus BF is 6 root R2. Okay. So this is going to be 16 root R2, and we know DC is 30, so we will get this one. So if we take the square in both sides, then it will okay, we can divide it by 2 both sides, then it's going to be this. Okay, So root R2 is going to be 15 by 8, and now if we take the square, it's going to be 15 by 8 whole square. So R2 equal to 225 by 64. This is our required answer. Okay, so what is our required answer? Is R2 is 225 by 64. You can easily divide it. You can make it a small number or a decimal number. Okay, fine. So this is our question and we got the answer. So again I want to discuss the idea here. So the idea is I'm drawing few lines, like this line is parallel with the below line, and which is maintaining with this distance, R2 distance. Okay, R2 distance, it is parallel with this line and it's maintaining R2 distance. Then this line is maintaining parallel with this line and maintaining distance 9. Okay, distance of R3. Then from this triangle, right angle triangle, I have found this, and from this triangle I have found this one. Okay, and then from this triangle I have found this one. After that I compare this with the summation of this, which is should be equal, because we have draw this that way. Okay, so from there we got it that R2 is equal to 225 by 64. Okay, I think it's a easy question, tricky but easy question, and you can get easily 10 marks from here. And you all know that 10 marks is very important in case of subjective question. Okay, all the best for your future. I'll come with new solutions and hope you will like those cases also. Thank you all.